In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the AI text generator in Durable AI. Start by opening your Durable AI dashboard. Once you're in, head over to the AI Copywriter or Content Generator. This is where the tool transforms a few simple inputs into clear, on-brand copy you can use across your website and marketing. To help the AI write accurately, you'll first enter a few business details. Begin with the type of business you want to create, then click Next. Be specific here. Phrases like boutique fitness studio, mobile dog grooming, or eco-friendly cleaning service give the model a sharper focus than broad categories. Next, add your current monthly revenue, or select just starting if you're new. This guides the tone and ambition of the copy so it fits your stage. Then, enter your business location. Location helps the AI tailor language to your market and can influence local references. Finally, add your business name, which personalizes headlines and calls to action. If you need to get to Durable AI, there's a link at the top of the description that takes you straight to the website so you can follow along. Now click Generate and wait a few seconds. The tool will create draft content. Things like homepage messaging, value propositions, and short promotional blurbs. Think of this as a high-quality first draft designed to save you time. Next, review and edit. Read the text carefully to make sure it reflects your brand voice and is factually correct. Adjust the tone to match your style, friendly and conversational for approachable brands, or professional and direct for corporate audiences. Replace any placeholders, fine-tune product or service details, and ensure claims are accurate. Keep what works and tweak wording so it sounds like you, not just any business. A quick grammar pass and clarity check go a long way. When you're satisfied, copy the text into your website, emails, or ads. If it's not quite right, click Regenerate to get a new version instantly. Many users combine the strongest lines from multiple generations to build a richer final piece. So don't hesitate to mix and match. You stay in control. The tool suggests you decide. For best results, be precise with your prompts about tone and audience, and generate a few variations to compare. Combining outputs can create longer sections that still read smoothly and stay on message. That's it. Open your dashboard, enter your details, generate, refine, and publish with confidence. Thanks for watching.